Hey guys, in this video you will learn how to change your Facebook page owner. On your page timeline, click the menu right here, then click the settings icon, tap page settings, scroll down and you'll see page access. Just tap that and then tap add new member under Facebook access and then click next. Search the user you want to become the owner and then tap give access. Input your password and click confirm. Just wait for the user to accept the invitation. Then remove the previous owner by clicking this three dot button of the user and then input your password, click confirm, and there you go. You've changed the page owner. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.